Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit Ethereum on Metamask from Binance. So this tutorial is quick and simple. Make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into it, and also check out my link in the description for Binance $100 bonus. Now make sure to like the video if you will find this guide useful. You want to go ahead to Metamask first, and from here you need to go ahead and have your address. So your address will be at the top where it says address, and this is the Ethereum. And you can also go ahead and click on Ethereum and click receive option, and you will have your address. So let's just copy it. Now go to your Binance. On Binance, you want to go on a wallets in the right corner and click withdraw option and choose withdraw. Now you want to choose Ethereum, send via crypto network. And now you will enter that address from Metamask. The network is Ethereum. You can also go ahead and choose a different network on Metamask. So for example, if you would go here, you can go ahead and choose any network you want and add a network, so you would have lower fees. So for example, Polygon mainnet and Arbitrum one has lower fees. So if you want to have that, you want to choose it and then copy the address again, and it will be a little bit different. Now you will see the network fee is that much. After that, you're just gonna click withdraw and withdraw Ethereum to your MetaMask. If you will not see Ethereum here, you just want to click import tokens right there. Search for Ethereum, and you'll basically just make it like so and import it to your portfolio. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.